Hey everybody, Easy Amateur Radio here, and today I've got a pretty neat looking radio. Probably one of my favorite radios that comes stock just from the look of them. This is a Road King RK56640. This is typically a 4-watt, 12-watt transceiver. You can peek and tune it and get a little bit more. It's the size and has very similar features as a Cobra 29. Today we're going to give you a walk through the faceplate. This radio is broken. We cannot figure out what the problem is, so unfortunately it has to go back to the owner broken. But what you see right here is a 4-pin Cobra mic. I really like that these radios are putting these front forward USB power plugs in them, mainly because, you know, charging your phone while driving and stuff, that's pretty handy. You're already mounting this big box, so having something like that helps, even if it is 2.1 amps. So what we got here on the outer ring is going to be your squelch like usual and your volume. Then on the outer ring on the second knob, mic gain, RF gain. Usually you don't see your RF gain, you know, like on a knob like this, especially on a radio this small, but on this one it does like that. You know, I kind of like that. I don't think that's a bad feature. Your delta tune and then your SWR calibration. For the meter, Up top, we have your meter switches, so you can set it for signal and RF, SWR, and then to calibrate them. You have you have noise balancer plus, automatic noise limiter, A&L, and then off. Typically, I leave mine all off, but occasionally I have been running some radios with A&L on just to kind of cut back on the noise. CB, PA, bright and dim. So if you think this radio is bright right now, I'll click it on bright, and it's really, really bright. Pretty neat, honestly. And then off, and then emergency channel 9. Personally, I would like to see that change to 19. You know, I switch channels 4 or 5 times a day to crew channels, back to 19, back to crew channels. I would like to see that fixed before I purchase one of these myself. And then high cut and off. And then, of course, your knob selector. Got a little bit more curve to it than a Cobra one does. I'm not going to key this radio up. Like I said, something's broke in it, and I'm not going to get too deep in it. But yeah, this is the Road King RK56640. Great little radio, and I'm going to turn the lights off and kind of show you a little bit of the bright and dim before we go. So there's the dim. Here's the bright. Really just a big difference. The dim is plenty bright enough, but the bright just blows it out the water. If you want your cab to be lit up blue, get this radio and put it on bright. 73 guys, 69s. Thanks for watching. Easy Amateur Radio here with another 11-meter video.